Melodies of memories and lullabies of hello goodbyes course through veins through which no blood has ever known. These capillaries and arteries pump through to a destination teeming with what nows and where are we's. To a place where life just happens and people just are. Where the dreams of tomorrow have insomnia and that distant horizon suddenly isn't so far. Our footprints through the hard times hardly leave an impression. The beautiful moments become an obsession until I awaken and this life keeps me guessing. I'm just a young heart with an old soul trying for dear life to maintain a hopeful progression through this world of flaws yet demanding perfection, because it seems that since we've been born, the world started spinning in a different direction. Away from knowledge and social civility towards arrogant ignorance and utter impurity. Our art depicts images of melodic malnourishment and our songs sing of artful atrophy. Young men don't understand when no means no, and young women treat older boyfriends like a trophy. Teenagers cultivate an image of degradation and lawless public opinion. Slaves to which society is our master, and we are simply an assimilated minion. What's the point of the front so your friends will reprieve you if you take off that mask and the mirror don't believe you? You lost your soul because you threw your ball of morals and now there's no conscience left to retrieve you. But poetry is a soul that no tempter can entice. And though this world may steal your soul, then sell it back to you for half price, the great I spit kept himself whole and didn't give society a slice. Now, don't think of me as a mediocre revolutionary or a discount rate prophet of YouTube propaganda, but the truth is in the spark that have lit in your minds and its flames that I continue to fan as I stand up here merely keeping the beat dictated by the metronome called my heart. Giving you the poetry that's not only my specialty, but I guess you could call it my art. And so I'll do what any good artist would try. I'm sick of hearing, so instead I make you wonder why. There's more than one way and poetry is an option, because in these days wisdom's been orphaned and knowledge needs adoption. You want to see someone drop a poem that'll give your adrenaline a run for its money and make sweet love to your endorphins? Want to see a performance in enormous accordance with the opinion of a gorgeous proportion to the point to make you want to gasp at the eloquence of all of emotion? Well, I'm the preacher and poetry is my pulpit. Enlightenment is the crime and I'm the culprit. Spoken word poetry's the game that I play. My name is Rico, but you could call me Suave. It don't matter though, cause you'll remember me anyway, cause I'm that antagonist who saved the day. Screw audacity. I chase my dreams more than anybody would logically dare. You want to know what's on the other side of the rainbow? Well, I'm on my way, so hit me up, and I'll let you know when I get there. Thank you.